what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before.
Good morning and what's up, beauties? Welcome back to another video, or for all my newbies here that have never seen my face before, what's up? I am Jen. I share all things health and wellness here on the channel. Anything I do to level up my own life, I share with you guys in hopes to inspire and motivate you to do the same. So if that sounds like your jam, make sure to subscribe before we jump into today's video. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this full day of eating. It is 10 o'clock right now in the morning. I dropped little dude off at school and then I went straight to physical therapy. So just wrapped that up and did my second round of dry needling. And I am not sure if that helped last week. On my 15-mile run, I had no pain in my hamstring. And last week I did the dry needling for the first time and I did a trigger point sports massage. So I'm not sure if one or the other helped more or both in combination helped, but I am definitely going to stick with that. So we did our second round of dry needling today. And then I don't think I'll have another trigger point massage until next week, which next week is a taper, like deload week. So which we need. We've been ticking up these miles every single week. I did 25 miles last week altogether. This week we'll be running 16 miles on Sunday. I ran 5 miles on Tuesday, and I have to run today either 5 or 6 miles. Some zone 2 training. And I also didn't lift yesterday because I had my grandbaby with me all day. She spent the day with me and just busy schedule. I ended up skipping out on my lift, like, oh, I'll just do it tomorrow with my interval training, and probably shouldn't have done that, but we're gonna go ahead and knock it out and pay our dues anyways to make sure that we get our lift in and we make sure we get our interval run in. But I've got some Zooms this morning as soon as we get back to the house. I am super excited for the Mighty March 4-week challenge that's going to be starting on Monday. I'm so pumped to see all the ladies signing up and getting the app, and you can get in the app at any point in the game if you want. And we've made it back to the house. Now we're going to go in here and I have a Zoom in about 10 minutes. We're going to jump on with one of my one-on-one clients. But I was saying the Mighty March challenge starting on March 4th. So it will have started before you guys see this video. But if you guys are seeing this on the day that it posts on Tuesday, you still could get in. You would only be one day behind. And if you get in there and kick ass and stack those points up, you could still place first, second, or third. So just go check out the website, get in there. And either way, you can be in there ticking away at your daily habits that will help you to reach your goals, feel better, and lead a healthy life. And that's winning no matter what. And it's only $9.99, right? So less than 10 bucks, you can be in there with a bunch of like-minded people kicking butt. And if you do place first, second, or third, then you're going to win a goodie. First place is going to be awesome. It's going to be a ton of my favorite goodies going to the person that gets first place. And then second and third place will win a prize also. And if you have no idea what it is, it's a leaderboard challenge in my app. I talked about it on a live. I will link that video up above. Go check it out. But I've got to get in here and get ready for this Zoom, and then we will make up a quick late breakfast. Thank God for meal prep, because we already have that done. If you missed that meal prep video, go check that out as well. Taco, turkey, sausage, egg bites are 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. So if you missed that video, go check it out. Number 1 is complete, and I gotta tell you guys, my client is 77 and she's absolutely kicking ass. If you ever think that it's too late to start making changes, to start on a health journey, to do body recomp, to lift weights, to get healthy, enjoy your life, and be thriving, you're absolutely out of your mind. If you've got a pulse, you can make changes and you can start making things happen right now. Absolutely love it. My people fire me up. But anyways, got breakfast ready to rock and roll, which literally took me a couple minutes because my past self decided to meal prep, which I always love her and thank her so much when she does that. It makes my life so much easier. These are the turkey, sausage, taco, egg bites I was telling you guys about. You definitely want to check that meal prep video out. I also meal prep some potatoes, threw a banana in there so that we can get ready for this run that we're going to go on here in just a bit. And it's getting cloudy, so I think it's going to be like perfect weather to go knock out this interval training, which I'm not actually that excited about, but we've got to get it done. And then we will get our lift in. We actually have a super busy day today. I have so much stuff to do, and I'm supposed to go to like a workshop that's about an hour away with my sister here later, though fingers crossed we can make that happen. Of course, I'll bring you guys along. But this breakfast is clocking in at 445 calories, 39 grams of protein, 45 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. And then, of course, you guys know daily micronutrients we go in with every single day. They are the foundations, the building blocks of all the things that we need. They are super important. Not just the macros, but the micros. They work together. You got to have both, guys. So we're going in with the full mega. We've got our microfactor pack, which has all of our daily essential nutrients in there. We've got our vitamin D, and then we have our greens and our reds to fuel us up for this beautiful Thursday. All right, guys, it's been a couple hours since breakfast. I had some work stuff that was like I needed to get done right away before I headed out for my run, but I am getting ready to head out here in just a minute. I am going in with a RX bar. These are my favorite. These are the honey cinnamon peanut butter. They're 230 calories, 10 grams of protein, and 29 carbs, which is perfect to give me some run fuel. So we're gonna have that. I'm going to finish getting my water and stuff together. I only bring one on my like shorter runs, and when I do longer runs, I bring 2 of these. I have showed before. I'll link some of those videos above, and my full warm up and all of that, which I'm going to go through here in just a couple minutes before we go knock out this interval training. All right, guys, we started our interval training. We just hit our first run. Now we're walking for a second. I've got to come out of this jacket. No matter how cold or windy or rainy it is, I come out of the jacket within about 2.3 seconds of running every single time. So we're gonna go ahead and knock out, I think we have 6 miles on the books today. So pray your girl knocks these interval trainings out with as least pain and misery as possible. All right, guys, with my cool Terminator shades, or what my daughter call them, like Men in Black shades, I don't know. But we finished our 6-mile run, and that one was not great. I was not vibing it, not from start to pretty much finish, and which is crazy. I was like already having a bad feeling before I left. I was like kind of procrastinating, not wanting to go get this run done, which is weird because my last runs have all been like significantly good. I mean, running is hard no matter what, like hard as hell. But my last 4 runs straight, I think, have been really good. Now, my 15-mile run we did on Sunday, the last few miles got a little bit spicy. It was a dogfight. I had to really dig internally deep to keep my ass moving. But overall, I mean, that's to be expected when you're running for over 3 hours straight nonstop. Like, your body is tired and spent in your mind. And, you know, so that's completely expected. But overall, they have been really good. But this one just, meh, wasn't. And I couldn't wait to get done. So, I am sipping on my water. I haven't even taken this off. I sucked this water down. But we've got the run done. We've got our dues paid. We are gonna, my leg also is sore from physical therapy and from that dry needling, I think, and the rest of physical therapy that we did. So I'm sure that played a part too. But I am going to get in at least like a 30-40 minute lift. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it at the gym while little guy's in boxing, or if I'm just going to try to do it in the home garage. I don't know. I'm going to go make some lunch first. Got to knock out a few things, and then we'll figure that out by the time we take little dude to boxing tonight. Did I already mention how extremely thankful I am to my past self for meal prepping? Because I always just want to like give myself a hug when I decide to meal prep and just have it weighed up, ready to rock and roll, plugged in, tracked in the app, and it takes 5 seconds to throw together. We've got chicken thighs, we've got zucchini, we've got rice, and we have this sauce that I have absolutely been loving lately. This is the Kinder's Bourbon Peach Barbecue Wing Sauce. Got this at Sam's. It is awesome. 25 calories a serving for 1 tablespoon. I'm going to put some of that loveliness on here. I've got it tracked in my app, the inwithjen Fitness app. 413 calories, 31 grams of protein, 53 carbs, and 9 grams of fat for lunch. And after that run, I'm ready to tear this baby up. Somehow I accidentally deleted the footage of my afternoon snack, but I had a picture of it. We went in with a serving of pretzel sticks, 2 boiled eggs that I had ready and prepped in the fridge, as well as some tuna salad. It clocked in at 512 calories, 40 grams of protein, 49 carbs, and 17 fat. And now we are going to go take little dude to boxing and then head to the gym.
go home, go home, go hard, go hard, go home, go hard, go hard, go home, go home, go hard, go hard, go home. Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, go hard, go home, go home, go hard, go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hands now. In my head I'm top 10, yeah, that's hands down. You a squad, now you're looking man down. Funny how foes turn to friends now. Drive a race car like a Atari now. Call filling up, I need product again. Treat the business like a playground, might slide on you. Do me wrong, might slide on you. Do a backflip, cause I'm mad rich. I'm the definition of what that is. Go hard, go home, go home, go hard, go hard, go home, go hard, go hard, go home, go hard, go hard, go home. Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, go hard, go home, go hard, go home. I'm a warrior, I go back to back, then go back to back. If I top the top, then I double back, and I'm topping that. Yeah, I beat my own records. Yeah, I gotta get money fetish.
Finished our lift, got little dude from boxing. Now we're back at the house and I'm going to throw dinner together. And this is not going to take long at all. And I know it's going to taste delicious. I'm making a stuffed pepper casserole and it couldn't be easier because, again, my meal prep self prepped the veggies up so I don't have to clean, wash, or cut the onions and peppers, all that. I did it when I meal prepped this weekend, so I have those ready to rock and roll. That makes life so much easier. I'm going to brown up my ground turkey here. I've got my seasonings and stuff I'm going to throw in, and then I am making some minute rice that we are also going to add in, and that only takes 5 minutes. I'm going to cook that while I'm browning the turkey up first. As soon as I get the turkey browned up, I'll show you how I'm going to throw this together. All right, y'all. Got my onions and peppers all cooked down here, and now I'm getting ready to throw the ground turkey in there and get that browned up. All right, we've got our seasoning in there. We're going to add our Laughing Cow cheese. I'm going to add about 6 or 7 wedges in there with the minced garlic and the Worcestershire sauce and get that all mixed through and creamy. I'm also going to add a little bit of ground cumin just for good measure. I ended up adding 2 more of the Laughing Cow cheese, so 8 in total, just because I love a good cheesiness, and I'm not adding any other kind of cheese to this. You definitely could top it with some kind of cheese, throw some Monterey Jack in there, would be awesome. Provolone, mozzarella, whatever, it would be awesome, but we're just going with the Laughing Cow cheese. It's creamy and delish and ready to go. I'm getting ready to dump these diced tomatoes in here. I'm going to mix that through. My rice is cooked over there. And I'm just going to mix it all together in a casserole dish and pop it in the oven. Okay, I lied. I'm not actually going to throw this in the oven. There's really no point. If you were using uncooked rice and adding it to the mixture, then you would want to throw it in the oven. You would obviously want to add more liquid as well. But my rice is already cooked. All of this is cooked. I'm not going to add any cheese, you know, to like bubble or crisp on the top. If you wanted to add a layer of cheese on the top and just get it nice and crispy, you could toss it in the oven for that. But I'm just going to rock with it like this. I already have the mixture done. I have our rice done over there. So we're just going to go ahead and plate up dinner. Y'all, I got to say, I am quite impressed by this little dinner here that I just threw together. 402 calories, 42 grams of protein, 50 carbs, 5 grams fat. Absolutely smelling delicious, looking delicious, and didn't take any time to throw together. One, because I had my veggies prepped, which you guys know is a huge time saver, highly recommend, and I have enough left for the other dinner that I need this week, so that was a huge time saver. But this, I'm sure, is going to be 10 out of 10. Clearly that was absolutely disgusting, right? No, it was delicious, and that's one of those meals that's just going to get better as leftovers, which you guys know I'm all about. I'm a huge fan of leftovers. So I know that's going to be even more delicious tomorrow. But I'm thinking I'm going to go jump in the sauna for a few minutes before I get in the shower, because I haven't been in there in a couple days. We need to go in there and sweat it out. All right, I'm letting the sauna get hot. So while it's heating up, I'm going to actually read some of this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. It's really good so far. And I'm going to go in with my snack that I'm having tonight, which is the Fairlife protein shake and these cookie thins, which has been like my favorite combo. Absolutely delicious. Then that way, once I get out of the sauna, I could jump in the shower and then get out and sip on my magnesium tea before I go to sleep. All right, guys, I did not close out the vlog, so I figured I would do that and chat with you guys why I'm putting this baby together that I got delivered some days ago, and I need to put it together because I am so super excited. I don't know if I told you guys in the vlog, but I got a walking pad. So when it is raining or when I am working, because I sit at a desk and work on the computer like so many hours out of the day, that I can throw my computer on this baby, get on the walking pad, get some steps in, get some movement in. My brain works better when I am moving and not sitting in the chair all day and getting tired and all of that. So I got one of these standing like rolling desks that will go over the walking pad. So we are gonna attempt to put this baby together, because why not? When I talked to you guys last, I was gonna read my book and then jump in the sauna and get in the shower and all that, and I never got back on to talk to you guys. Hubby ended up calling. I didn't even read the book. I sat on the phone with him for a while, got in the sauna, had my magnesium tea, all of that, got in the shower, and just called it a night. So I didn't end up getting to chat with you guys again. Now I am looking at this baby like, holy hot tamale. There are a lot of freaking pieces. This is why hubby normally does this, which I could wait for hubby to get here, but we're go-getters, right? So I feel like let's just go ahead and get this baby together. I might put this on a time lapse and you guys just watch me build it, and then we'll catch up at the end.
Another side, I'm wearing you down to the ground. We're done for the night. I really don't care if you are mine, but I'm keeping you in the line. You really don't know which way to turn. You're always one step behind. Going down this road again, I don't wanna explain myself. You grasp for every crumb of hope, although you've reached the end of my road. The glimpse that you think you see ain't nothing.
Alright, you guys, let's try this baby out. This has to be like one of the best inventions of life. I am so pumped. This thing, the walking pad, works on a remote. Just crank that baby up. And this actually comes up even higher, or you could put it down lower. I was worried that my legs were gonna bump into this, but it's not at all. I am so pumped for this. This is gonna be a game changer. Let me turn this off so we can talk. And I'm not sponsored or affiliated with either of these items whatsoever. Bought these with my own money. Just want to be able to get more steps while I sit at my computer so many hours of the day. It will never replace walking outside for me, because you guys know walking outside is like my love language. Being out in the sun and nature and all of that is healing mentally and physically, and absolutely love it. But when it's raining out, so I don't have to lap my table 100 million times, I could jump on this baby. They had it on sale. I think it's actually still like 30% off, plus they have a $20 coupon. I will link the one that I got below and this desk as well. But this is the double thumbs up for me. I think this setup is gonna work awesome. But I think the hardest part of putting it together was probably the freaking wheels on the bottom, because they were not wanting to screw in. But it went together relatively easy, so I am pumped for that. And these things actually tighten, and this can go up or down, so I love that. But that'll do it for this vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That definitely helps me out, and I appreciate it more than you guys know. Also, subscribe if you are new so you don't miss out on any of the videos I post here on the channel. I am actually thinking about switching my days up for posting. I normally post every Tuesday and Thursday. I'm kind of tossing up some other ideas, so drop down below what day that you guys love to get caught up on all your YouTube videos, or when do you watch it the most, so that I can see for the majority. But I hope you guys are having an absolutely killer day, and I will catch y'all in the next video.